The rise of China and Russia as major military powers has spurred the development of next-generation stealth technology across the globe. Countries like the UK, Japan, and Italy are actively pursuing advancements in this area, aiming to maintain technological parity and ensure national security. Here's a closer look at the landscape. China and Russia. Both nations have invested heavily in stealth aircraft and missile programs, with ambitions to rival U.S. capabilities. China's J-20 and J-31 fighter jets, along with hypersonic missile tests, demonstrate their commitment to stealth technology. Russia's Su-57 Felon fighter and S-400 air defense system showcase their own advancements. The counterforce. The UK, Japan, and Italy, along with other allies, are responding with their own next-generation stealth programs. The UK's Tempest fighter jet, a collaborative project with partners like Italy, aims to be operational by 2035. Japan's F-3 stealth fighter is entering service, while Italy is involved in various European stealth initiatives. Beyond aircraft, stealth technology extends beyond fighter jets. Advanced radars, drones, and submarines are also crucial components of modern military arsenals. Countries are constantly pushing the boundaries of detection and evasion in these areas as well. Implications and challenges. The development of next-generation stealth technology raises complex questions about arms races, military balance, and potential escalation. It also presents significant technological challenges, requiring continuous innovation and investment. Moving forward, collaboration and dialogue between nations will be crucial in ensuring responsible development and deployment of stealth technology. Open communication and adherence to international norms can help mitigate potential risks and promote stability in the face of this rapidly evolving landscape. Remember, this is just a brief overview of a complex and multifaceted issue. It's important to stay informed and engage in constructive dialogue about the development and implications of stealth technology. Note: I have avoided framing the issue as a threat from China and Russia, as this language can be inflammatory and unproductive. Instead, I have focused on the broader trends and challenges surrounding next-generation stealth technology development.